Sharon, what's up? Are you okay? No. I haven't talked to her today. Well, I missed our call anyway. Well, I said if I'm settled, I will call her back. Is there a problem? But you sound like there's a problem. Mm. Okay, don't worry. When I get to her, I'll tell her to call you. Okay? Oh, yeah, no. I'll talk to you later. Mama. Good evening, ma.
Hello, Chika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. And you?
I'm good. Have you heard from your friend?
Yeah. I just spoke with her now. I mean, Sharon.
Sharon. And what did she say when both of you talked?
She was just asking after Ebube.
The same thing she tried to verify from me.
You mean she called you too?
Yes, she called me. Chika, do you think both of them are having issues?
No. I don't know, but I missed Ebube's call.
But I was calling her and she was not answering.
I don't know, but I missed Ebube's call.
Please, Nene, don't try to get back to me. I'll be waiting, okay?
Okay, Mama, don't worry. When I get to her, I'll tell her to call you. Okay, no problem, Mama. Just try to stay calm. Don't worry. When I reach, I'll tell her to call you immediately. Okay. Bye, Mama.
So, have you been able to reach her since she left you?
I'm about asking you her whereabouts. Because her phone was ringing all of a sudden. I couldn't just get on the phone.
I don't know where she has gone to.
Did you guys engage in fighting or something?
I was just angry. I spoke out of anger and she didn't really expect to hear all the things I told her out of anger. You know, I went out to cool off my head. Coming back, I noticed that she's gone. She packed her things and left.
Is it that she has gone to my house?
Maybe.
Oh, let me rush home.
Please, if you get to her before me, don't hesitate to let me know.
It's okay, I'll do that.
Alright, take care.
Ah, Mama. Yes, Mama. Yes. I finally got through to her. Yeah. I left her a message when I couldn't reach her. I told her to call me as soon as possible. Yeah. I told her to call you today. You're very worried. Yes, Mama. Mama, don't worry. She'll call you. Yes, she's okay. She's fine. Okay, Mama. Mama, she will call you. Okay. All right.
Hello, Mom. Yeah, I'm fine. How was the introduction? hope everything went well. Okay. Babe, I don't know if she's fine. Yeah, why I said that because I've been calling her number and all of a sudden her line went off. Mama and her friend says she called and she's nowhere to be found. I don't know what's going on. And there's something that came up this morning, but it's not something we'll discuss on the phone. Okay, bye. Babe, baby, where are you?
Big two, Joby. The one when you do since you game never start. Big two.
Chica, you're here. What's happening? Good news.
Why are you this?
Good news.
Good news. Calm down. Let's know whether it's good news or bad news.
It's good news. I said it's good news. Believe it is good news.
Oh, yeah, now.
Shoot. Okay. Right, darlings. Talk now.
Yes.
An opportunity to go to the city just presented itself.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
How did it come about? I was making hair for one of my neighbors. Okay. Started gisting, chatting, gossiping. I said saloon. You know how far.
I know.
So she asked me if I see opportunity to go to the city and manage a salon. If I'll do it. I said, I'll grab it with both hands.
Yes, now.
But it depends. She said, okay, that's one of her late auntie's friend is looking for somebody to manage her salon in the city. Someone from the village. She's looking for a village girl. You know these city people? The eye. Too big, my sister. So she's actually looking for someone from the village. Somebody that is down to earth, that is honest. You are honest now. You are an honest person now. Number one. Number one. And so, I told her, that I'm ready. Is it today? Is it tomorrow? Anytime. I am ready. This opportunity cannot pass. Anytime I am ready. My sister, so she told me that my spirit has gone to the city. You are looking at my body now. My spirit is already in the city. This is good news.
Sharon, I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for myself.
My darling, you cannot miss this opportunity.
I will not. Wait to.
Where will you stay?
Where will you stay?
Hey,
It's true.
I never think of that one. I don't think where will I stay? But I cannot allow this opportunity to pass me.
No, now.
Opportunity to go to the city.
No.
Make a better life.
Yes, now.
Maybe I know what I'll do.
I don't want to miss this opportunity. I'll be sleeping in that salon.
Hey.
Early morning, before 6:30, I'll wake up, dress up. Nobody will know that I'm sleeping there. Yes. Until I gather money to get a house.
But will she agree?
I don't know. I just hope so.
We need to be positive.
That is the spirit.
See, something in me tells me that if you go to that city,
You must make it.
Amen.
you that grab how to play the Sharon, why did you call me on the phone?
With which credit? You don't have credit to make calls.
You look worried. What is it?
The lady has agreed for me to be sleeping in her salon.
Hey! You don't mean it! It's a lie. You should be celebrating now. Why is your face like this? Eh?
She wants me to start immediately. In fact, she wants me to come to the city tomorrow.
Hey! Look at the Sharon or city girl! Then, you're lucky. I mean, you carry grace, my sister. You should start preparing. You don't have transport.
At all. And my father is not helping matters. Eh? All he does in this village is to walk around and drink. Eh? Always drunk.
Don't say that, no. You know your father did not just wake up and he just started drinking. No. Your mother's death had a toll on him. He was so devastated, he was worried. Yeah? And he started drinking, so don't say that.
Okay, how do I get to the city? Meji jog in Gaba City. How do I get to the city?
Okay. Nabi, I'm coming. Oh, wait for me. Don't go anywhere. Come.
This opportunity now will just slip off my fingers just like that.
That's 30,000. That's my life savings. Since I don't have any use for it now, so let me give it to you. You know, if you go to the city, you will not just stay like that. You need to buy one or two things. You know, show and all those things to smell good. So use it for your upkeep and your transport. Oh?
Hey, baby. Hey, boo, this money is too much. 30,000. I just need transport to get to the city.
It's not too much. It's not too much. See, Valentine is around the corner. My customers will soon start coming to my house and I'll make their hairs so that they will look good for their boyfriends. So calm down. I will even make more than that. So just use it and hold your side. I don't want you to be stranded when you get to the city. You know the city is very big. I don't want you to be stranded. I know I do makeup. I fix nail, I plait hair. So I don't have a problem. I will find how to survive. Don't worry yourself. You know me now.
Hey, give me your life savings.
What do you mean by that? Stop it now. You're my friend. I mean, like I said, I don't have any use for it now. You need it more than I do. It's okay.
God bless you. Okay. I don't know how to thank you.
See, you're my exceptional friend. That's why I call you my best friend. I can do anything for you.
Thank you. Ah! Ebube! Surprise me.
It's okay.
Ah!
So go and start preparing so that you leave early morning tomorrow.
Yes.
I'm going to miss you. And make sure you do all the best hairs so that when you go, the woman will miss you. In fact, you're not going anywhere. She'll give you the shop.
Let me make you this promise. When I balance well, then my leg strong for ground. I'll bring you over.
No problem.
We'll come over to the
No
city.
problem.
Thank you, my
You're
friend.
welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'll miss you. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Hello, Mama. How are you? Mama, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm no longer at Sharon's place. Yes, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Don't worry yourself, I'm okay. Yes. Alright. Um, yeah, I'm fine. I guess it was my phone. I'll try and fix it. Okay, Mama.
Mhm. I know how it is with the both parties, with different mindset on how they assess things. It is obvious that Sharon must have had it hot with her. And Ebebe, on the other hand, doesn't want to be the barrier between you both.
But I'm not dating Sharon.
Who is talking about dating here? Huh? With the tales you told me, clearly states that the Sharon girl is deeply in love with you. While you are madly in love with her best friend. All this while, both girls were talking about the same man under the same roof, unknown to them.
I don't even know what to do. She has not been picking my calls. I don't even know where she is right now. I don't even know where to find her.
But you told me you first met her in her village, right?
Yes.
Then the answer is staring at your face. Mm-hmm.
My daughter, I understand how you feel. I know what you are passing through. But I think you should have picked her call. Maybe she wanted to apologize to you.
Mama. It wasn't necessary. I'm not even intimate with Stanley. That is the problem. I'm not intimate with him. And he said they are not even intimate. They are just friends.
My daughter, you cannot fight the feelings of love. I need no prophet to tell me that you are already in love with this man.
I am not.
Ebube, can you look me in the eyes and tell me that you are not in love with that man? Tell me.
So what if I'm in love with him, Mama? I don't want to come in between Sharon and Stanley. I don't want problems at all. I'm avoiding it. I have been avoiding it and I don't want it. And moreover, I'm a woman. I can't throw myself at him. I can't just tell him, okay, Stanley, I'm in love with you. I can't do that.
It's not throwing yourself at him. I know that with time, he will come and make his feelings known to you. Because from what you told me, he is in love with you too.
Love.
Or don't you believe what he told you?
Mama, a lot is... A lot...
Hi. Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
I came to see you. You didn't come again as you promised. When I called your phone, it wasn't going. I tried and tried. It was all switched off. Then I decided to come looking for you. I was directed here.
I moved to the village. I moved here. I mean, this is where I find solace. This is where I find my peace. you know? So, this is where I've been.
Please, Erube, I want you to come back to the city. To come and be with me. Okay? I couldn't just find a better person. Please. And also, I couldn't just summon the courage to tell you how much I love you. But right now, I just want to tell you that I love you so much. And if you say yes, our marriage starts immediately. Yes, I want you to think about it with all your heart. But if you say no, I don't know, it's gonna really hurt me, but I'll still try to figure out how to endure the pains and all that. Ruby, please. Please marry me.
Stanley, I can't marry you. I'm sorry, I just can't. Sorry.
There's no need for the ring. Thank you so much. Waka, you're here.
Where? I tried calling you before coming, but you didn't pick up my phone.
Yeah, I want to drop Mama back to the village.
Okay.
You know, Papa and his troubles. He has been calling, insisting that we should bring Mama back. I know he's missing her already. Yeah.
Better for her. She should go take care of her husband. Mm-hmm. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just a slight headache, you know. Based on the far journey. Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. You just need a little rest. Let me go get into free to it. Alright?
Mama! Mama! Oh! Mama! Who is that? Ah! Mama!
Ah! Chica! You did it! You finally came.
Ah! Wow. Of course I had to.
Welcome, my dear.
Yes,
Welcome.
Mama. You know I don't joke with anything that has to do with
My
Ife
dear.
and Sharon.
Good. Let's sit down. I went to the backyard to cut some
Okay.
vegetable.
Mama, let me help you now.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Are you
Don't
sure?
worry. Sit. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Sorry.
Mama, you're looking good though.
Thank you. And you too. You're always shining.
How about me?
Am I not seeing you almost every day?
Love you.
Eh? You are very beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
Are you happy now? Hey, Mama, where is Ebube?
She went out to get something.
Did she tell you what happened when she came back?
My dear, it was a long story and very complicated.
Are you serious?
Yes, but thank God they have settled. They have settled it.
But does it have anything to do with her and Sharon?
Yes. It's about the two of them, and but don't worry, like I said, they've settled. Sharon was here yesterday and she apologized. Like I said earlier on, they have settled it.
Okay, good to hear that. But I don't know if she's still around now.
You mean Sharon?
I saw her this morning driving towards the express.
Yeah, you saw her?
Yes.
Did she tell you where she was going?
No. But I think maybe she's going back already.
You can call her to find out whether she's still around or not.
Alright, Mama, that's what I should do. Let me quickly call her. Because I need us to talk, like the three of us.
It's okay.
I was angry with you before, but I decided to let go. But check am now. What do you do no pure? How can you, my girl, go behind me, go begin the wrong things with my guy? Check am now. How can you do such a thing? If another person do, no problem. But you, my girl, when you know say me and you na like this with the dates, you go the wrong package with them. And na through me, na from here you know Leo. Why you go do that kind of thing? No make sense at all. No make sense. Madam, I beg you. I did sorry. I am very sorry for what happened. But the truth is that I didn't meet him the first time here. Yes. I knew you back in those days in Saple. I knew him when he normally come to our salon that time why they work for Saple. Yes. They carry one big girl, we get big nyash like this, they come our salon. Now so me and Uncle exchange number. We became friends. I have even cut ties with him. Yes, we know they talk again, madam. We know they talk. I beg. You dey vex for me. You know say I like you well. I beg. It's okay. We can resume work tomorrow. Make I resume work tomorrow. Hey, madam. Madam, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much, madam. Ah, house don't tire me. Oh. House don't tire me since. As if you know.
You came back. Come here.
So, I understood everything. I realized that you both were never in a relationship. Your mother doesn't even like her. I mean, she wouldn't even be with someone who doesn't have affection for her. And it would be totally wrong for her to ruin the love we both share. So she apologized and said she was sorry for everything. That she gives her support.
You see, you've actually made me the happiest man on earth. Yeah. I am going to see my people so we can meet with your people immediately. I want our marriage preparation to start immediately.
So fast?
Yeah, you know I told you once you say yes, then the whole thing starts. What?
Am I not lucky?
No, I'm the lucky one here.
Okay. What's going on here? The atmosphere is lively.
Yeah, it should be. Meet. I call her Ebunwa. Yeah. Anyway, meet Ebube, my fiancé. Your sister.
Oh my god! I'm so happy. Goodness. I am Mwaka. Nice to meet you, baby. Nice to meet you. You're so pretty. I'm Ebube, of course. My brother Vincent and had a beautiful damsel like he was going to be my sister-in-law. Wow. Yeah, this calls for celebration. Let's go in. Yeah.
Hello, Mama. I am not flattering you at all. I'm just telling you the simple truth. Yes, Mama. You trained your daughter very well. She has a good behavior. Yeah. You see, your daughter is not like every other girl out there. Your daughter is well trained. I'm telling you the truth. You deserve some accolade. I will call you back now.
Who was that, bro?
The best mother-in-law in the whole world.
Who could have thought that you of all people will fall in love so soon?
That's just the best thing that has happened to me.
Aww.
It's for real.
I'm so happy for you, bro.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. There's something I actually want to discuss with you, but I don't know if this is the right time.
Go ahead. What is it?
I need money to start a business.
Business? But you're not done with your service.
I know. I just need something that could be fetching money while I'm in service.
That's a good idea. So what kind of business are we talking about?
Ladies' wears. I mean, like jewelries, shoes, and handbags.
Okay, so how much is involved in this business?
About maybe 1.2 million naira.
1.2 million.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'll give you, but not now.
Not now?
Yeah.
So, when exactly?
Definitely I will give you, but it's not going to be now. Just give me some time.
But I just need the money right now so I could place order for the goods.
Okay, go. Have some patience, okay? I'll give you.
I need the money.
Can you calm down and let me be? I said I'll give you, but not now.
Please, please.
Can you go now?
Are you asking me out?
I'm not asking you, I'll just let me be for now. Okay? I'll give you. Let's go.
Look at you. So why do you want a low-key wedding?
Honestly, Sharon, I feel pity for Stanley. If you see the list they gave to him, I even told my mother that they should do something about it. But she said that it's tradition, that there's nothing they can do about it. Even Chika said the same thing.
So is he complaining?
He's not complaining, no. He said that he's ready to do everything. That in fact, he wants the wedding today. It's just...
Now for you. You this girl, what is your problem? Huh? When you told me earlier, I thought maybe he was complaining about the list.
Thank you so much. I just want to say thank you. You and Chika especially. God bless you. Thanks for the encouraging words. Thank you.
Your mom first, then us. My girl, let me tell you, you are lucky you married a very good man. A rich man, and not just rich, a caring and faithful man.
Thank you.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
And I'm equally glad that you fixed your white wedding here in the city. It's better.
Thank you. Thank you. One more thing.
What is it?
The sister. She doesn't want me to cook for him.
What does that mean? Does she want to marry her brother?
I don't know.
You need to put her in her place. Let her know her limit before it's too late. I don't understand this. You don't know. Put her in her position.
She said she doesn't want me to cook for her. I don't want to drag it or make it look like I don't appreciate her or make her feel less important, you know?
She get lost, say no be me. No. Person no fit try that kind of thing with me. I for don't give her seat, comfortable seat where she go sit. Give her water, make she drink. You know, when I see her face to face, let me see her face to face.
Sharon, Sharon, please. I know you. Please, don't worry. I know you feel my pain, but don't worry. I will handle her. Maybe she has her reasons. Let's leave it like that.
Anyway, I'm happy for you, my friend.
Thank you. So have you picked your... Mwaka, what's the meaning of this? I don't understand this. I mean, I'm in this house. I'm meant to do the cooking, not you.
Hold on. I don't understand what you mean by that.
I am supposed to be cooking for your brother, not you, Maka.
But you usually watch me while I do the cooking in the kitchen.
Okay, what about serving him?
Hold on, Ebube. Is it a crime for me to serve my brother food in this house?
It's not. It's not. Hey, see me say wahala.
You need to see the way she was questioning me as if I did not have the right to cook for my brother.
Like, seriously. I thought you said she was a nice person.
Nice. Of course. She was pretending all along. I'm sure she used chats on my brother.
Like, seriously.
My brother turned down my request, which has never happened all these years I've been with him. Not until they showed up, he started acting weird towards me.
Like, seriously.
Felicia, do you even think I reminded him of the Mac laptop he promised me and the iPhone? But guess what? He keeps saying not now.
She's getting serious.
That's just one of it. Imagine my mother always raining praises on her as if she's the most perfect woman on earth.
Babe, this girl don't go waka for her family.
Look, any charm she must have used for my brother and my mom will definitely fade in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Babe, please come help me wear the neck chain into the car.
Let's go.
Yeah, Remy, what's up now? Are you telling me you didn't get my message? I sent you a message now. Amanda wouldn't have been preparing. Remy, I don't know what you're talking about, so start preparing now because it's happening very soon. Guy, you don't understand. You don't understand. There's no one to be compared with a babe. Leave all these girls. Romeo, that girl is very gentle. She's well trained. Romeo, I don't know what you're talking about because this wedding is just near. I have my date already. Get yourself prepared though, guy. Romeo, you need to understand. Romeo, I can't just think of any other girl. This girl is the best for me. Believe me.
No, tell me why? I mean, why are you laughing? Is it because I told you I'm still learning? Okay, you tell me. How many weeks did it take you to learn how to drive?
Weeks, girl.
Yes.
She'll be talking about days.
It's a lie. You can't lie.
It took me just 2 days.
2 days?
2 days as a sharp girl where I be. 2 days to learn how to drive.
This is my 5th day. I not agree me learn. I start just a one motor like this.
Okay, listen. Let me tell you about driving.
Okay.
Driving is about boldness,
Okay.
determination. Okay? If you don't get boldness, you don't get determination. My girl, you go there, you go old. You don't go learn anything.
Hey, my sister-in-law is here.
Hey, the Obasabi wanna be? Hey, she met me where?
Please, Sharon, please be nice. Sharon, I'll be nice. I'm not gonna be nice person. Be nice now. I know you. Be nice.
Make her be nice. But now you tell me say she know they are allowed make you cook for your husband to be.
I think so. She gets her own. Maybe she get her reason now.
Okay, make her just
Calm down now. Hey, Mwaka. Hi.
You have a guest.
Yes, she's my childhood friend. In fact, she's my bestie. We're very close.
I think we've met before.
Who, me? Oh, no. Yes. This is the first time we're meeting.
No. Can remember vividly. You were the same girl who insulted I and the keke driver some weeks ago.
Really?
It escaped my memory. I remember. But I didn't really insult you, you know. The keke driver was just acting up. I needed to put him in his place, you know. Just trying
That's not true.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on, girls. I mean, Maka, it's okay now. My traditional marriage is next tomorrow. So I want you guys to be there present, happily, you know. Hmm?
Of course.
Please.
Anything for you.
Waka.
It's okay.
And her name is Sharon, by the way.
Okay. It's nice meeting you.
Oh, nice meeting you.
I'm inside.
So, wait. Now the same girl will fight for the keke, right?
You know,
Sharon. I don't know say that shit. That reminds me. My tailor will be coming to take your measurements, the both of you. Okay,
wow.
So I want you to be in the shop, Ejiro. I want you to be in the shop so that she won't miss you.
Don't worry yourself. We full shop remain for you. What about Dorothy?
Dorothy, I don't want her to be in my bridal train. There are other things she can do for me, but not in my bridal train. You know, say she know they arranged. I don't want wahala. You understand?
I did happy for you. I did very, very happy for you. No worry. That my clothes. The kind style why we saw. Everybody go feel me, I swear to God. They don't know saying I be blue money pay. I
beg, leave Ejiro for me. Leave Ejiro for me. I like her vibes. Only her na full vibes. So I want her to show herself that day.
I know.
And also, please, I'm begging you, don't wear something that we're exclusive.
I know what you want. Don't worry, you go like my style.
You know, nah? Okay, let me get going, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Alright, you guys should take care of the shop. You know, I'm only to have talked for them. So look after the shop.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Take care, yeah.
See you later. Take care. I admire her so much. I know that kind of
Auntie Pupe, she be better person. She na good person. No be that our madam when they carry data. They do jiggy for head. I don't want. Don't go me too much. It's too much. It's surplus. It's too much. I just pray she finally finds a man who will love her so much. You dey pray for madam. You dey pray for her. I never pray for myself finish. I can't pray for madam. No serious.
What do we have here?
Good afternoon, ma.
Chika, good afternoon. Have a seat. Welcome. Yeah. What's of your husband?
It's fine.
What's of your mother, people?
Oh.
Yeah.
Mama, my dear. We went to your shop and your shop was locked.
My shop? What will I be doing in my shop today? When my daughter's traditional marriage is tomorrow. I have to be at home to make sure that things are properly arranged. Putting one or two things together.
Mama, you're right. You know, I almost forgot.
Yeah, I now forgot. Why? How can you forget?
So anyway,
marriage, I'm not talking. I'm not talking. So I talk one more.
Well, she called me this morning. She called me early this morning. She said she was coming in this evening. She and Sharon.
They are already on their way.
Yes,
she called me and told me.
Okay. She sent some money.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, she told me about it.
What's that? 150,000 naira.
Yes, I know it's complete.
She said that you know what to do with it.
Of course I know.
I'm sorry that I'm coming late though. I just had one or two to still do for her before they come back.
I understand, no problem. I know you will be coming back to see her.
Of course. Mama, are you asking?
Let me find cooler for her.
No, Mama. We'll just get going. I still have some things to do for her before she arrives.
Yes, Mama. So bad.
Thank you so much, Mama.
I'll see you later, I know you'll be coming back to see her later.
Of course.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
My regards to your mother.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. You gotta keep it before your mother. Hey.
sorry, oh.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Yeah. Where are these two going to?
We're actually going to the market to get ready for the weekend.
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Romeo.
Yeah.
Wow, you know my name.
Of course, my husband never stops talking about you. All the time, every day.
Meet my angel, my sweetheart, my love, the love of my life.
My dear, I'm sorry I couldn't make it to the traditional wedding.
It's okay.
My flight was delayed due to the bad weather.
I understand. The main thing is that you are here for the white wedding. So, it's okay.
Wow, I'm gonna make it up to you, okay?
Yes, I know. I trust my husband's friend.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, baby. This is my friend Chika. The other one, Sharon, she's on her way here. They are my childhood best friends. So, yes.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Are you okay?
Just have a slight headache, but I'll be fine. I guess it's the stress.
I told her to stay, but she insisted we must go out.
I'm fine.
No, you are not fine. I will not allow you to go out in this condition.
Babe, I'm okay.
Chica, do you know how to drive?
Yes, of course.
You can drive, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay, please take the car along with you.
Okay.
If you don't know your way around, better call Sharon to take you around, okay?
That's fine.
Good.
Please take care of her before I come back.
Sorry. Have a good.
Thank you.
Big
I'll see you later. All right, bye.
So, let's sit. Yeah. Yeah? No, I don't want you to go anywhere. Just be here with me. Okay, what do you care for?
Yes, what can we get you?
Anything sauce.
When I like it, guy.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Yeah? Come in. Hi. Sharon.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine. Hi. Where is Ebube?
Oh, she's in the kitchen cooking, I think.
Okay. I'll go meet her in the kitchen.
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Meet my friend, my childhood friend, Romeo. Romeo, this is Sharon.
Sharon,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Brandon, I'll be in the kitchen.
Okay, yeah. Romeo, you're my wife. Who is she? She's a human being.